In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your domain's name servers to Hostinger. This process is essential for pointing your domain to your Hostinger account, allowing your website to be accessible online. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or making updates, don't worry, I'll guide you through every step clearly and thoroughly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account, commonly referred to as hPanel. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Domains or Check Guide. Finding this section is crucial because this is where you'll locate the name servers assigned to your Hostinger account. These name servers are unique to your account and are necessary for directing traffic to your website hosted on Hostinger. After you've noted the name servers from your Hostinger account, it's time to access your domain provider. This is the registrar where you initially purchased your domain name. Log into your account and navigate to the DNS management area. Depending on your registrar, this section might be named Manage DNS, DNS Settings, or simply Name Servers. Each registrar might name it differently, but don't worry, the function is the same. It's where you can configure your domain settings. Now that you're in the DNS management area, take a look at the existing name servers. You'll want to delete these if they don't match the ones you've copied from Hostinger. Accuracy is key here, so make sure you are copying the exact name servers provided by Hostinger into the appropriate fields. This step effectively tells the internet that Hostinger is now in charge of managing this domain. Once you've updated the name servers with the ones from Hostinger, it's crucial to save your changes. Most systems will have a save button or a similar prompt, so look out for that. Saving these settings activates the changes you've made, linking your domain with Hostinger's servers. Now comes a bit of a waiting game. Updating name servers isn't instantaneous. It can take some time for these changes to propagate across the internet. This process usually takes up to 24 hours, but might be faster depending on various factors like your registrar and location. To check the status, you can use an online tool like whatsimidins.net. This handy tool lets you see how far along the propagation process is, confirming that your website is becoming accessible from around the globe. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your domain's name servers to Hostinger. By following these steps, you've ensured your website is pointing to the right host, paving the way for a seamless and professional online presence. If you have any questions or experience issues, Hostinger's support team is always a great resource to reach out to. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.